Hi architects, this one's for you. We're talking automation. When automation is part of the conversation early, it gives you more to work with, more flexibility around energy use and climate, and generally how the building responds over time. Thoughtful integration really helps you future-proof your project, sustainability across time, and adds value for your clients. At TechPort, we work alongside you, the architect, to provide practical support and education so that intelligent systems feel easy and a natural part of your design. The beauty of what we offer at TechPort is that it's seamless, it's all integratable, everything from HVAC to lighting, audio, pool control, irrigation, energy management, security and monitoring. It all falls under one system and it's really easy to scale up or down. We use the KNX open source platform, and this way we can work with almost all brands and hardware. You can achieve your design and your client can achieve their desired outcome. We're one of Australia's leading integration specialists and we are located in South Australia. So architects, it's time we met.